Hi everyone, this is Evelyn. Yep, I'm back. I like to share with you of a DIY Dollar Tree sled that I made. Now I'm going to show you the picture, what it looked like before I went to town with this. So far I came up with this, and what I did was I used Jetso to prime it. But before you start painting, I advise you to take sandpaper first and sand it, because the material of the design, it has like a glossy finish on top of it when you buy your design. And yeah, so what I did was after I sanded, then I Gesso painted, which I did prime it first, and then I painted all in white. And then after it dried up, I took a pencil, and depending how wide you want the width for each board, when you get it, it's plain, as you can see the picture. So you got to make your own imagination where you want your line to be, how far apart you want your line to be, and how many boards. So I did 1, 2, 3. 3 boards gave me 4 separate board wood, what it looks like. So what I did is, after I drew the line down, I took my X-Acto knife and I went deep inside, followed by the line. I was continuing doing it until I felt like a little thickness, and then I started cracking it a little bit so it can have like a little opening, so it could look like real wood. So I repeated to all 3 of them, and then after I did, I took charcoal paint, and of course I don't have it with me, which that's a no-no. Here we go. I got it right here, guys, sorry. This is it right here. And I wish you could see that, because my lightning stinks horrible. I'm so sorry. I'll put the link down. Yeah, it looks so dark from here. I don't know why. But anyway, this is by Art Minds, and it's chalk. And the name of it is called Triller's Gray. And what I did is I took a small paintbrush, which I had thought I cleaned it. Here we go. I used this paintbrush. Oh my God, my thing looks horrible. Hold on, I'm trying to get it fixed so you can see it a little better. So this is what it looks like. And it has a nice arch, so I was able to brush it and then wipe it with tissue and continue doing that. And then after that, I came over with my Tin Horde Distress ink, and I'll show you the color that I used. It was the dark one. No, sorry, it was this one here. I hope I'm catching that. And this is the one that's called Frayed Burlap. And what I did is I brushed it towards the edge of the board, and I just took this ink, mixed a little bit with the chalk, and just brushed it. Just gave it a little brush, it could look aged, and I did that also to the top. I also added, so it can really look like a sled, this piece right here, because you're not going to see that on the original. It just comes flat. Just it. That's what you're going to get. The picture, the glossy, and in the top you're going to see, it's going to say "Let It Snow." It was glitter, and I sand that out. But I added another board. I took a chipboard, and of course the size of the line here was more than 12 inches, and our cardstock only runs by 12 by 12. So I added another piece right here. And if you go closer, you will definitely see a line right here. So that's where I met up. And then I took my crocodile, my corner punch, so it looks like a plier, and I gave it a nice round edge so it can meet up with the original that it's already there. So this way it looks like a real sled. And I did it on the other side. I left the string here, so once I finish with my sled, I'm going to show you the one that I decorated. The reason why I'm not doing tutorial because I really don't get people viewing this YouTube. I'd be lucky if I get 12. So what I'm going to be doing, because I don't want to stop, probably someday around there, I'll probably get people to come in. But for now, I'm going to start doing show and tell, because I think it's a waste of my time if I do a tutorial. But this is my finished look. And what I did on the edge so it could look like snow, I love using this yarn. Every ornament that I make and I want to have a little snow look-alike, I use this yarn. And this is, I get it at Michael's with the 50%. I probably like $2 with the 50% coupons. And I love it because it's very fluffy and it's white and it actually looks like snow. So what I did, I just put it around the edge. Then at Michael's on the $1.50 bins, they have these little pips that looks like this, which I'm going to add on to my second one. I don't want to oversaturate it. I was thinking about putting a sign that says "Let It Snow" with a hat on the top. You know what? I'm going to just leave it simple as it is. If I decide I want to change it, then I'll change it. But for now, this is where it's going. And I'm trying to finish my snowman. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. And I hope I have it over here. Oh, here we go. Now it's going to be pretty long because I'm doing the size of the foam board that I bought at Dollar Tree. And this is the head, this is the body, and the body's right here. So I'm going to work on it and make it look like a nice vintage snowman. When that's finished, I'll take a picture and probably put that in my Facebook on Stampany Creation. Or, yeah. So I probably will post it over there or in my blog. Matter of fact, my blogs needs to be updated. So I got to work on that. But I want to work on this because my sled is going to be right next to my snowman. And hopefully it will come out pretty good. I might double it because I want to try for 2. So I might repeat this process so it can be a little thicker. Then I'm going to find a way to have it to get stand up. Listen, our crafter, we do something. We make it happen, right? We always make things happen. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you what I did with that design because it was a sign to hang up on the door. So I made it to look like a sled so it can be standing next to my fireplace with my snowman. So hopefully, you know, I'll share that with you guys when Christmas is ready. And meaning that I'll start decorating my house for Christmas after Thanksgiving. So thank you for watching. I hope you give me a thumbs up. And for the newbie that happen to stumble over to my channel, please do subscribe. I know I don't come here more often, which I would love to. But most of you guys know, you know, I'm going through a back and forth traveling because of my mom. I'm taking care of her. We are taking care of her. She had a massive stroke in March. And, oh, God, thank God. I praise the Lord Jesus that she is doing okay. For 91, she's doing okay. She's a living proof of God's work. For those that, you know, I respect everybody's religion. But I am not ashamed to say, you know, I believe. I believe. So guys, have a good night and thank you for watching.